Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your BMW 5 Series key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program for your vehicle. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged, as this is crucial for a successful process. Then, sit inside your car, ensuring all doors are completely closed and unlocked before you begin. Now, let's get to the programming. Take the first key you wish to program and insert it into the ignition. Turn the key to position 1, which is the accessory power setting, but do not start the engine. Immediately remove the key from the ignition within 5 seconds of turning it. This timing is important for the next step. With the key removed, press and hold the unlock button. While holding unlock, quickly press the lock button 3 times. After the third press, release both buttons simultaneously. Your car should then lock and unlock itself, confirming that the key has been successfully programmed. If you have more keys, repeat this exact process for each additional key within 30 seconds. If your key fob doesn't program on the first try, don't worry. A common solution is to replace the key fob battery and then attempt the programming steps again. Always double-check that all your car doors are completely closed throughout the entire process, as an open door can prevent successful programming. For more great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.